The Google Pixel 8 Pro has suffered yet another image-related leak barely days after being the star of a few hands-on photos. In a series of what could be called unboxing images but appear to be more accurately pre-boxing shots, the Pixel 8 Pro is clearly in a factory setting undergoing a last quality check and clean before being sealed inside its packaging. It happens every year without fail. Unboxing videos of unreleased Pixel phones are leaked on the internet before they are formally revealed by Google. A Vietnamese Facebook page has shared an unboxing video of the Pixel 8 Pro, laying bare its design for all to see. Although images of the 8 Pro have been shared many times before, both by official and unofficial sources, this is the first time that we are seeing it from so many angles. More importantly, we get to see the Pixel 8 Pro's box, which is similar to the one the Pixel 7 Duo came in. Its contents included a USB-C to C cable and a quick switch adapter. The Pixel 8 Pro seems to have rounder edges than the 7 Pro, but the screen is flat. The camera cutout now has more of an oblong shape and houses all the lenses. The phone also has a temperature sensor. It seems that at least two devices are visible here, as there is one Google Pixel 8 Pro in the obsidian black colorway, while another appears to be dressed in porcelain. The images, which are not especially high-quality shots. The 8 Pro's matte rear surface can also be made out in this latest image leak. Meanwhile, leak reveals all official Google Pixel 8 cases, plus a surprise edition. Reports early last month detailed the existence of 4 colors of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, and these color match cases appear to confirm that. Adding more credence to the leak is a couple of marketing materials from Google detailing all 4 case colors for each model, while also mentioning that these silicone cases are designed with 42% recycled materials. Wojciechowska's thread on X details the dimensions of these silicone cases as well, with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro cases supposedly weighing 27.3 grams and 31.3 grams respectively. Furthermore, we're also getting a glimpse of the coral cases for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, suggesting that Google may have a surprise in store after all. This colorway was first introduced earlier this year with the Pixel 7a and can be likened to the oh-so-orange trim launched with the Pixel 4 series back in 2019. It's currently unclear whether Google will release the coral version of the Pixel 8 series on launch day or introduce it as an exclusive/limited edition version later. As for the rest of the cases, they appear to be in line with the leaked colors of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. First-party cases for the Pixel 8 should include rose, mint, charcoal, and hazel, per Wojciechowska. Meanwhile, the 8 Pro would be available in largely the same shades, with the exception of rose and hazel, which are replaced by porcelain and babe blue, formerly referred to as sky blue. Away from this case leak, we've obtained some exciting info about Google's software plans for the Pixel 8 series. The manufacturer will reportedly offer up to 7 years of updates for the new flagship Duo, which would be an unprecedented level of software support across the mobile industry. This particular leak also confirms some hardware attributes of the Pixel 8 series, such as the beefed-up storage capacities and a boosted peak refresh rate on the 8 Pro. Leaks have been pretty generous with the Pixel 8 series, leaving nothing to the imagination. The Pixel Watch 2 has also gone through the exhaustive cycle of pre-launch leaks over the past few weeks, shedding light on its color variants as well as the new watch bands. We further learned that Google may offer the Pixel Watch 2 for free with pre-orders of the Pixel 8 Pro, on top of other exciting perks. So how do you like these new cases? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next